Hello, this is Eric from Turnkey Parlor. I'm gonna show you how to change this belt. So, as you can see, this is the old one, and if it's loose enough, you should be able to just roll it right over, like that. Ta-da. Now, getting it back on is where it gets a little bit more complicated. As you can see, getting it back on is a little bit more difficult. So the process to do that would be to loosen these so that there's some less tension between these two so you can fit them in, and then retighten. So I don't know if you can tell. But right there, that little black mark is Sharpie, so that I know exactly where the screw started, so I don't over or under tighten. You'll need a 1/2 extension for this bolt. As you can see, fits perfect, and let's loosen her up. Same thing here. So I did 6 on each. You can already see it's a little bit looser. So let's try this again. Almost there. So let's do 2 more turns. Maybe 4 actually. One more. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's try. Boom. Ta-da! Now, the belt back on. When the belts have been adjusted, you just want to make sure that the beater and the drive shaft are locking in here, right? And run the spinning, no issue. Yeah, and then just as a test, twist this way once, this way twice, this way 3 times, 4, 5. Make sure and spin. And then double check. That seems good. Maybe a little tighter.